Standard 2 is about keeping the students or the learner at the center of the classroom at all times. At UWM, we're really pushed to recognize the individual rather than the group. We want to recognize the potential that each student has so we can really focus on pushing each student to the highest expectations. During my student teaching, I was placed in a second grade classroom. I was working with the unit on forces in motion, and we came to the section about gravity, and I wanted to more show my students that rather than just have them read it. So what I did was set up an activity where the students were given a handful of objects and they would hold two against each other and drop them to see which one would land on the ground. But really the important thing about the unit was that everyone in the class was involved. My classroom did have a wide range of learners, including students with autism and a couple that were diagnosed cognitively disabled. So what it did was it gave them a chance to have the same opportunity to participate as the rest of the students, as well as when it came time to assess, rather than have students take a test or write what they learned, because I knew some of my students weren't able to do that. I had them orally assessed. That way I was able to hold all the students to their highest expectations.